So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit or adjust letter spacing of some text here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up on your device, what you have to obviously do is add some text to your document or to your design. So I'll just go ahead and type in letter spacing just like this. Now, by default, the letter spacing isn't anything crazy. The amount of space between letters is pretty standard. Now, if you want to increase this, simply just double tap on whatever you want. Go to this top little area right here to where it says spacing right here. Press on that to get a drop down. Then where it says letter spacing, if you slide this bar to the right, you'll increase the letter spacing, as you can tell. If you slide this bar to the left, you'll actually decrease letter spacing, making the letters pretty close together. So you can do that. You can type in a manual number as well. So if you want, 120, press on enter. The spacing will then be at 120. So very simple, very self-explanatory, but that is how to edit letter spacing here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.